Hey guys, introducing the atmospheric first-person horror template for Unreal Engine. A complete foundation designed to help you bypass the technical setup and focus directly on creating terrifying experiences. At its core, the template provides a polished character controller. Movement is fluid, with a procedural head bob that grounds the player in the world. Crouching is realistic and responsive. A built-in camera zoom allows for detailed environmental investigation. But the heart of this template is the dynamic stress system. It is a system designed to connect the player directly to the character's emotional state. As you enter areas of high tension, the character's stress level begins to climb. This is not just a number on a screen. Listen. The audio dynamically shifts from calm breathing to a panicked fight for air, creating a powerful and immersive feedback loop that organically heightens the tension. Clean, commented blueprints make this template incredibly easy to understand and expand upon. Whether you are a beginner looking for a solid starting point or a veteran developer aiming to accelerate your workflow, this template provides the tools you need to build your next great horror game. The atmospheric first-person horror template, available now on the Fab Marketplace. Start creating your nightmare today.